Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You open Waze and grant location access so the app can track you accurately. This matters for routing and ETA. Next, tap the search bar and enter the address, place name, or pick from recents or favorites. You want the destination set immediately. After Waze shows route options, glance at estimated time and distance, then select the route type, fastest or shortest, and press go. This kickstarts live navigation and traffic-aware recalculations as you begin driving. Once navigation starts, keep your eyes on the map for turn arrows and lane guidance so you position correctly before junctions. Make use of the orange report button to flag traffic jams, hazards, police, or road closures. These reports refine routes for you and others. If you need quieter guidance, tap the speaker icon to mute or unmute voice directions, and remember you can change the map orientation or map display in settings to suit driving conditions. Stay attentive and let Waze recalculate as needed. As you arrive, tap N to stop navigation. You can save the place to favorites for future trips. If Waze isn't recalculating or shows an incorrect position, make sure GPS is enabled, mobile data is stable, and location permissions are granted. Toggling airplane mode briefly can refresh signals. If problems persist, sign out and back in, clear cache, or reinstall the app. But first ensure your account details and any saved places are synced so nothing is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.